because it's off natin today. Gawa po natin yung family natin ng cake. White cake lang po yan. Parang ready-made na po na cake powder. This pack, ito lang po. And then, of course, this one po. And then we're gonna cut it for, so that we can easy to pour. Tingnan po. Ayan. Oops. And then next po, yung lauk natin. 250 lang po. Follow lang natin yung nasa box. 250. And then next is, I don't memorize. Next po is 75 ml. Same thing lang nung last time ng anak ko. Nagawa kami. At ayan po. Tama na po. And lastly po, yung egg natin. Hopefully, 3 egg po. 3 egg. Crack lang po natin. At kapag nanay po, talagang ready po tayo. Kaysa magbili sa labas ng snacks. So, gawa po tayo ng easy, quick, na pwede nating ibigay sa family natin na snacks po. Ayan po, na mix na natin yung eggshells. And then next po, basically, hindi ko po is this one. So, medium high lang po. Not crazy stuff. Yan po yung texture na gusto natin makuha. Yan. At, ready na po natin yung this one po. To bake into 31 minutes to 350 Fahrenheit. At tignan natin, wait na lang po 30 minutes to be done.